Shubor nakashlem jong unong san Hima.
Ki Nongïalam jong gaseng Congress hanigasngi kilami shakmat ban Pynrem ki Jingshah kem jong ki Ngut ki sister hagajila Chattisgarh ya ki Jingshah yurat jong ki red pa ya sarkar balam khmat da BJP habakran hanigasngi na kalyang usamla ban phira basayomot ulathe da bating e ka sarkar BJP ya ki jingle akat bamon ban pentran bat pentiang ya ki red pa ya kanigari ulong bahang ni hamighalia ka jingmane blay kalong ka balai lut walada ki basan shar hakli do ki isi ulong bagani ke jinglum kamdei banyalum ban penshong shit ni ban penya phya parajai ban riu handai ka dei na ka daw jong Jingshah nyan bal ban yatri lang shikin hon banyale ke jingale jong ka congress kamdei ban sha shilyang handai ban ailat banyaburam markalyang balada don kanu kanu ke Jingshah ban ben ke sur jong ka congress kan sawaja nagalyang secretary ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Manuel Badwar abakran hagan ke jingalang belingkot ulong bakam don kapor ba Shaki benta jongkari bagi Hindu kinlong ki ba Shapet po ki Hindu ki dai ban penong yata ga jingsngo kawi ulong baga politik kalarung ban pet baga dan ke jinya pat yapra kalong ke aka ke basngosi ban yo iya kani haga jaka ban kran bat kinwan ra iki kampen roi ni ban penyetali ki sedang da kani ke jing penpat penpra kenang bakinla ban yo e ke jimentoi haga por election kani kala yat menta lebun bun snam ulong ula bendrap da kabaong bagi parlok Hindu ki basa Meghalaya ki em ha jingsok jingsan hendrei hagi we gejela ki sedang da kini kam banwanra ya jing pentiang ki rit pat ka jingmi banra plakat jung ka congress kamdei tang bat ka Jingshah badang jiashan hendrei ka dei ka blajuja na kapor shakapor bat hashwa bandan ke election kum kini ki jumi banyo jingmentoi hangni ha Meghalaya watla phipenlong ki jingya pat ba ani ki yatra kamdan kanu kanu jing khanglat namar ki thrang bandan kata ka jiatli ula bandra.
Thank you, Banpira, and so on and so forth. He's given a speech, and thank you. Thank you, friends, for coming here together.
Pira, matangan kono.
We're having here, we're just standing here silently just to show.
Now I call Banpira. Please come forward.
Ngay kublay po Jingshah yuron jom kipat ba Kristan.
We as a party just to have a stand because we still live, especially people from the minority background, and I believe
Diba ka BJP kayo sensyar kalongom ka jingay bo isit nyam Hindu kibadan hakaleng ke India bakin lekat bakamon bakin nya ba parep kijajing parep baper ban pentron ban smej ban pentiang ya kirit pa hani apokari India ka jongi oh hane hari khasi ka jongi hari khasi jainti agaro ka jingya mani blai ka jongi ka dong lanjut tabalada hakli do asensha da kibriyo ki ba isi ki ba shone kirit pa nila banyo no ikisni ki jongi sakat no kali kisni bangila banya mani lanjut ya ka niam ka bangingen ke blai bangingen kani ka jinglum ka jongi kamdei bangilum banyak penshong shin ban pinya ban divide shushu banyak pihak shushu para jai penriu rini ke jinglum ke jongi kadai ba hakapur besanyon ki beret barya ini don lang shiken hon ke jingile ke jongi ke kongres kamdei banyak syak silyang ino ri ke jingile jong ke kongres baru shikata kadai ban island ban ya buram markeliang banyak pen baladodon keno ke Jingshah jan ben kasur jo kongres kan sawajam tinang ni syakman ngangit skem baki para jai berri ki jongi ki para citizen jong kanika jela ki jongi inlong ki bapetman inlong ki paskotho ya korkomlong ka politics hapok India ka politics of division nyemkwa ri ka politics ka ban unite ka politics ka banya penya teli kadai ka thong ka jongi ka kongres nyai khublei yaki member of the press kita poilang hani kasngi angit scam penpa ka kubur ka baklan bana kaliang kipat ba Meghalaya nginum sngam nginum susha tadadon kanunu jingyon ben yakino kinhun kibadan hani apo kari ka jongi kubre subon.
Have I ever felt at any point of time living anywhere in any part of this country that I felt where Hindus were racist? I always felt that Hinduism per se, my experience is that it's it's something which embodies a kind of a feeling which we live as one. It is only in the recent times that we have noticed that politics has played an important role to ensure that there's a division, there's a divide and rule. And it's very bad that politics has taken that emotional angle rather than saying that we'll bring about development, rather than saying that we'll unite the entire country together. They have played in a role of divide so that they will gain electoral votes. And this is a very, very bad precedent that is being set. And it has been going on for the past 10 years, 11 years, 12 years now. And it is something which is very alarming. Because I believe that even for our friends who are Hindu friends, even in Shillong and even in Meghalaya, they live in peace. To see that this kind of divisive politics that is being played by various parties just so that they will win votes is something which is against the constitution, something which is against humanity, as I say. Because this is something which obviously brings a lot of fear amongst the people, especially the minorities. Because then people don't feel as if they live in that country where they have the right to live a dignified life. And that is something which is very alarming. And I think the protest that has been called upon by the Youth Congress and the Mahila Congress here in Shillong is nothing to do with only something that has happened recently, but it's something to do that it's a culmination of many things that has happened that is showing and is rearing its ugly face. And whenever there's a big election happening or a big election coming up, these kind of things keep on cropping up, which is a very, very, very sad trend. As I was telling, as Banphira was saying, as Nathaniel was saying earlier, that when you come to Meghalaya and you go either to Maukarwat or wherever you go, and you have your yatra, there's nobody who's going to stop. Because at the end of the day, we believe that, unity is what brings this country together, and unity is what the strength of this country lies. But slowly, we see that unity is being divided. The public are still very much united, but it is the politics that is being played that is dividing this country into bits and pieces. We as a Congress stand very much against, and we should not allow this. And I believe every community, every religion, every human that is existing, that is living in this land of ours, this beautiful land of ours, should not allow such things to even happen, and should not allow this thing to take precedence. And I believe so that as a Congress and as people who actually feels for just about everybody that we live as one, that we need to unite in order for us to grow, in order for this country to grow. We believe that we need to come together and, we need to come together and condemn whatever is happening, and we need to show a voice. We need to show a voice so that the government of the state also takes action which is a little bit more, should I say, a little bit more stronger, a little bit more vocal. We have an MP, our honorable MP from the Congress, who had spoken on Parliament, but the moment he had spoken, even the mic was switched off. You can well understand exactly where is the democracy that is existing. The democracy is gone. So we need to change all of that. We really need to change all of that, and I think that should start with the public at large. We, especially in Meghalaya, where it's so cosmopolitan, especially in Shillong, and I think that kind of a change should happen from us, because only citizens can do the change. It is not the political leaders, it is not anybody, it is not religion. Nobody can bring the change, but it has to come up from our own hearts. It has to come out from our own thoughts. And I believe so that we stand here and we condemn against this injustice that keeps on happening, and the atrocities, because it is something that it will keep on culminating. Because if somebody does bad to somebody, then somebody will do bad to somebody else. And we start looking at each other rather than having a friendship kind of an approach. People will start looking at each other with a lot of suspicion. And that's the kind of thing we need to stop in the society that we live in. Thank you very much, and thank you for everything.